We got an Alfa Romeo Spider, came in and it wasn't starting. The guy was on a drive and he went to go do a U-turn and the engine just shut off. He had it towed to us, doing some electrical testing, found one of the main relay for the ECU wasn't powering up correctly. And so we did a lot of electrical testing and found a bad wire. We found a bad connection inside the ECU. It's not allowing the computer to turn on fully. And so instead of replacing the ECU, the engine computer, we're able to add another wire and it'll make the car start again. So the car wasn't starting up and going vroom vroom, so we're doing a couple things in here and it's gonna go vroom vroom and drive away. The issue's in the computer. It just happened to happen as soon as he did the U-turn. It could have happened another mile down the road. If you want to see more of Pete's videos, let me know down in the comments.